First step is finding the center of the wall. So just measure the entire length of the wall, find the center from there, mark it on a piece of tape. The instructions for the mirrors say to have one bracket 3 inches from either side of the mirror, so I measured off the center to make sure they were even on both sides. From there I use a reference mark on the center line to make sure that both drill locations are level. Then I like to use a smaller drill bit just to mark the precise hole. This step isn't necessary, but I find that when I switch over to a bigger drill bit like this, that it tends to walk a little bit, so this just helps keep it more precise. These are the drywall anchors I use, probably overkill. 159 pounds is a lot heavier than what this mirror actually is. Just put the drywall anchors into the wall. The hinges, there's 2 different types. One's got the spring, one's a solid. The solid ones go on the bottom. I'm also recording installing the upper brackets, but I set the mirror in place on the lower brackets, marked the location, installed them from there. To do a test fit of the mirror, just lift it, push against the springs of the upper bracket, and slide it into the lower bracket. Sometimes even with careful preparation, things don't align up. I just test to make sure it was the mirror that was level, so I know it's the upper brackets that were the issue. Remove the mirror, remove the brackets, and then I just brought them down just by eye. With the spring brackets, you don't have to be super accurate because you do have room with the spring. A little bit of tension on that spring just helps hold the mirror in place a little bit better. I added 2 more drywall anchors just lower and inside of where the original ones were. Then I reinstalled the bracket and did a second test fit. Getting the mirror into the brackets would definitely be easier with 2 people. I almost dropped the mirror here.